Once again, all eyes are on the BC Supreme Court here in downtown Vancouver as the case continues for a Huawei executive facing extradition to the United States. Meng Wanzhou losing a key decision in her court battle. Meng left her home in Vancouver's upscale Shaughnessy neighborhood around 10:45 Wednesday morning, making her way to court. She appeared in good spirits, smiling and greeting reporters as she has done since being detained at YVR in December of 2018. But once at court, there wasn't much for the Huawei CFO's legal team to smile about. Associate Chief Justice Heather Holmes ruled that the allegations the U.S. has made against Meng would also be considered a crime in Canada. It means the extradition hearing will continue and Meng will remain under house arrest in Canada with no chance of returning to China.
Well, I think in the United States there will be happiness that this is proceeding and that it has not been derailed.
But to use a very Canadian analogy, the game is not over yet.
We have just finished the first period. It didn't go to Meng's side. There's likely to be an appeal, but we have periods 2 and 3 coming ahead. This is going to be one of the longest hockey games in Canadian history.
The United States claims Meng lied to HSBC about a Huawei subsidiary's business in Iran, putting the bank at risk of violating U.S. sanctions. A statement from the telecom giant reads, Huawei is disappointed in the ruling today by the Supreme Court of British Columbia. We have repeatedly expressed confidence in Ms. Meng's innocence. We expect that Canada's judicial system will ultimately prove Ms. Meng's innocence. Her 2018 arrest put a serious strain on Canada-China relations, with Beijing detaining 2 Canadians soon after in an apparent retaliation. Michael Kovrig and Michael Spavor have not yet been released.
It's going to be expensive for Canada. We're going to face economic sanctions, diplomatic irritants, and the condition of our 2 detained Michaels is going to worsen.
As the extradition hearing continues, immigration lawyer Richard Kurland says Meng's legal team will likely argue her charter rights were violated when she was detained at YVR. If the judge rules in her favor, she'll have another chance to walk free. The case is back in court next Wednesday for a discussion on next steps. In Vancouver, Travis Prasad, City News.